What's up, everyone? YouTube, how's it going? We are here today starting out at Heritage Point Park. Not much of a park, but got a nice view of the city of Long Beach. Got a little windy path that goes down here, just some seating. Like I said, it's not much of a park. There's no real grass area to play on or do anything. But this used to be just all dirt, so this is pretty recent. Trying to beautify it a little bit. More oil derricks, so you know we're in Signal Hill. Ooh, don't think I want to go down that way. Yeah, that's a little too steep, I think. Trying to explore a little bit over here. Let's try to make it down this way. Probably jump off of this. Whoa. Sorry for the squeaking. All kinds of little cut-offs over here. Probably be pretty cool if you had a dirt bike, man. We'll cruise around, see what we could find. Ooh, a lot of gravel. Not much back here. It's a lot of gravel, a lot of rocks. Some stuff up there. Check that out, see what's going on over there. I'm on the wrong side though. Gotta start up there, it doesn't come down all those hills. Let me see if I can cross right here. Kind of sketchy with this hill, can't really see the cars coming. Maybe I'll go to the next street over. Let's just go check it out. Oh. Right here too, what's that? Let's see if I can make it up right here. That's the way in. Looks like it. Looks like that was the way. Let's see. gonna have to get off for this one. Let's make it up here. Do a little exploring. All right, yeah, here we go, here we go. Whoa, I'm in mud. That's all right. I thought everything would be dry. It hasn't rained for a few days, but it's not the case right here. Whoa! Damn, just almost totally lost it. That would have not been fun. So this is pretty much full of mud. Looks like it'd be fun though. Man, I think it just rained so much, everything's just soaked still. I can still see a lot of mud over there. I don't even want to go down this. I'm just sinking in. Whoa. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a little soft. We can make it down right here. All right. Well, that was a bust. Looked fun. Sinking when it's dry. Just start at the very top. Come down those hills. Kind of reminds me of E.T. Chasing. I'm on my BMX. Picking it back up, trying to find some little off-road areas. That last place was just way too soft. I thought it'd be more dry out today. We haven't had rain for a few days. I thought I could try to hit some of the little dirt areas that are just hidden here and there around the city. But now I'm thinking that's probably not going to happen. I have no idea where I even am right now. I'm just in some little business, industrial area, obviously. Kind of there's stuff back here to kind of check out. Can't go in there. Thought I could get in there, but I guess not. I'm gonna get one of these little areas right here, but it's all fenced off. this is where I was in a couple of videos ago when I stumbled upon that little like dirt bike track. So I want to go check that out again today. So this one right here. Maybe it dried up a little. Not like I'm gonna do anything on this bike. I mean, just gonna roll around slowly on it. Oh, look at this fence, man. It's a close call. But it's fun just to do that, man. You know, it brings out the kid in you. No one's here again. Ooh, maybe I could go up on that top hill. I wanted to check that out last time. Alright, got a little lounge chair. Someone hanging out right here. I'm assuming it's still open right here. Yes, sir. Oh, we got a truck in there today. Let's go see what's going on before we go in there. Oh, they're working on the oil well. Okay. I don't think they're gonna be too happy if we go in there today. All right. I'm sure they're gonna tell us to leave. So they're up there working. Here's the track. You know what? I'll probably just come back tomorrow. Oh, I see a lot of water down there still. All right. It's kind of a bust today. They got the gate open too, man. But yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah, they're dropping stuff from up there. They're not gonna let anyone in there. I'm sure it's a hard hat area. All right, all right. That was a bust. Let's go see what's up here straight ahead. And while we pause, take a moment. There you go, there's your message for the day. We got some dirt area over here, just flat, but let's go see if we're gonna get in here somehow. Oh yeah, I think, is the gate open? That gate's open. Oh. Okay. Well, it looks, I did not see that no trespassing sign. It's just an empty dirt field, but hey, it's kind of fun. Let's check it out. Man, right here you could build a track, dude, for sure. This would be pretty sick. Wow, just open dirt. There's a lot of patches like this around Signal Hill where it's just nothing. I don't know if it's contaminated with oil underneath or something. You can't build here, but I don't know, man. Got oil derricks you can see. I don't know what else. Little urban exploration. Oh, and I see mud. Oh yeah. Sweet. Ooh, a nice little door. Doorbell's missing. Oh, a lot of glass right there. Sounds like someone's in those bushes right there. Oh man, look at over there. It's like a concrete ditch or something. Oh, look at that. What is that? Oh man, it's all just gravel at the bottom. Got a boat chilling right here. God bless these tires, man. You're rolling through some, I don't even know what, but they're holding up so far. No problems. Man, it's just nothing going on here. A rocky road. Down there, got some more. Whoa, better two-handed. Oh, yeah. This looks out of service. It's like an AT-AT from Star Wars. Some kind of pressurized pipes right here. Gas lines or something? I don't know. Don't want to find out. Yeah, it looks like that guy's retired, huh? Bunch of there. Got a bunch right here, little. This must be the gold mine for oil. Tumbleweeds? Don't see many of those around here. Well, now the question is, how do we get out of here? Guess the same way we came. It's got to be a quicker exit. So I went that way. If I go left this time, I don't know. This is where we just were. Okay, I'm gonna get trapped in here. Oh, okay. It's all part of the fun. It's a random mailbox. Tickets, okay. Truck drivers. I guess there are still people working here. Let's go this way. Right, I'm so fenced in. Thought there'd be another opening over here. There might be, but it was easy enough to get in this way. I think we'll just exit the same way. Yeah, this spot would be cool to make a little jump track or something. Oh man, we got the trucks coming in today. No wonder the gate was open. All right. Thought that was weird. The gate was wide open. So they are doing work today. Bike's taking it. Well, you get stuck right there. Okay, this is kind of tempting, dude. Fuck it. Kind of sketchy, but fuck it. Let's go. Oh, we right on the freeway right here. So this is a 405 right here. Yeah, I could roll right down the hill and roll right on it, right on the 405. I don't know if there's exits up here. It's kind of sketchy. Kind of want to turn around, but you know, part of me wants to keep going. I don't know what or who I'm going to run into over here. Oh, well, the trail kind of disappeared, so kind of making our own now. The question is, am I gonna have to go all the way back? I think so. Yeah, I don't know about going that way. Well, maybe. Come out on the exit. That could be interesting. I don't want a cop to see me up here though and kind of, oh, there goes a cat. Hey. Oh yeah, maybe I can make this. Let's see what we got here. That's a little sketchy, This grass is so tall, I cannot even see like what I'm running into. All right. Wow, dude. It sounds like I'm just like rolling through all kinds of goodness. Woo! I'm sure people are looking at me like, what in the hell is this guy doing right now? I'm having fun, that's what we're doing. I kind of want to get off this right now. See if I can dip down. Oh yeah, there's a lot of cars still coming. So this is the exit from the 405. Alright, we made it. We made it. They said we couldn't do it. They said it couldn't be done. Oh man, I'm in this, what's this stuff called? Oh man, did I get stuck right here? I'm gonna have to dip out, dude. Okay, well, we got one car, I'm going. Woo. Well, that was an adventure. That was pretty fun, actually. I don't know, I love doing stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just kind of like in this little area, kind of by that dirt track right up here where I was at last time. And I don't know, I'm just exploring around here. That was pretty fun, so got a little off-road action in. I want to do some more of that, that's what I'm looking for. That was kind of my goal for today. I wanted to hit that pump track or that little, whatever, BMX track, but and those workers right there. And it's still pretty muddy, it looked like. I'm gonna have to wait maybe a little longer to come back. And there it is again. Sidewalk action. Yeah. was a short little bike lane strip. Go back through here. So I came through here in my last video and there was a lot less people. This is more typically what it looks like. Again, this is a Jenny Rivera Park. You can see up here too. It's usually I mentioned there was a lot of homeless around here in my last video. I came through here, but there actually wasn't that day for some reason. But now you can kind of see it. Like, this is more typical of what it's like over here. Guy was just taking a big hit of something in there. Soccer ball down there. Anyone wants to play a game? The bike path kind of continues right here, but this thing's always locked. I don't know, it's kind of... Oh, maybe they just have it covered right there. Oh, here we go. There's a little entrance in here. Let's cruise it. Yes! Hit a big ass bump. Right here, they got a track, field, football field. Never seen them play football here, but a lot of people use it to run. Should we do a lap on the track? Why not? Whoa, not that way. I don't know about that water, or that grassy water. Screw it, let's go. We're here. We gotta do a lap around the track. What's that? Oh, is that the long jump? Yeah, I don't know if they have events here still. So they got the concrete bleachers. A lot of seating, but stadium lights, but you can see here Chittick Field. Got the scoreboard and everything, but man, I've never seen a game here, but maybe I just wasn't paying attention. It's a nice field. You do a lot out here. So you can have a little long jump, maybe triple jump, long jump. Should we keep going this way or should we go back? Well, we already know what's back. We came from that way, so let's keep going. Keep the adventure going. You never know what we're gonna see. Grill right there. Okay, I think I know where I am now. Okay, got a little turn around right there for a second. Woo! Scooter patrol. That's always fun, going to places I haven't been before. It's kind of the whole point of this, just having a little adventure. Get down this little alley. Oh, glass. Oh, okay, this is going to take us right back where we came out. One thing for sure, I don't want to keep circling that area because pretty sure there's a lot of no good going on right there. Don't need to get caught up in that. I guess today was an off-road adventure. Tried to get back to the track, but we didn't quite make it. But we, I don't know, went through a lot of dirt, a lot of gravel. It's always fun. All right, thanks for coming and cruising. Woo, like and subscribe. Ooh. And I'll keep doing this. Till next time, peace out. See y'all later.